Hello everyone, this is Bernard Grospe from Wandi. For today's video, we will report cervical cup. So the scope is definition, how it is used, advantage and disadvantage. So what is cervical cup? The cervical cup is a method of birth control that prevents pregnancy by covering the cervix and preventing the sperm to enter the uterus. The cervical cup is made of soft rubber and designed to fit completely over the vertex. So the vertical cup is like a cup-shaped device that fits over the vertex, that preventing the pregnancy.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Piolo Hidalgo from Wandi, BS Cream. This is advantage of cervical cup. The cervical doesn't use hormones, so you can use it if you don't want to take hormones. You can also use it if you can take hormones of other health problems. It is safe to use while breastfeeding. It doesn't affect your menstrual cycle. It costs less than hormonal types of birth control. You put it in up to 6 hours before intercourse. You don't have to interrupt sex. This is disadvantage of cervical cup. It's not the most effective from the birth control. It doesn't protect sexually transmitted infections or STI. It can be uncomfortable. It requires consistent use for each sexual encounter. It may contribute towards urinary tract infections. It may cause cervical change such as cervix.
How cervical cup use? Step 1. Apply spermicide inside cervical cup and to the rim also. Step 2. Apply 1/2 tablespoon of spermicide in the groove. Step 3. Squeeze the rim of cup with one hand. Step 4. Inside the cervical cup into the vagina. Step 5. Push the cervical cup as far back as it will go. Step 6. Every time you have sex, apply spermicide to the vagina without removing cup. Step 7. After sex, leave the cervical cup in for at least 6 hours. Step 8. Push against the dome, so release the suction. Step 9. Hook your finger around the strap and pull the cup down and out. Thank you for watching.